Welcome student in my happy learning classes. In today's class we will again do some famous proverbs. I hope all proverbs till yesterday we have done, you are enjoying and you are learning them. For today, first proverb is think before you ink. Think before you ink. That means think carefully before signing any document or signing a document. So this is very important, right? Think before you ink. That means आप कोई भी कागज में साइन करने से पहले, कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट में साइन करने से पहले आपको सोचना चाहिए, सीधे साइन नहीं करने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक. सेम थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक मीन्स बिफोर स्पीकिंग एनी वर्ड, एनी सेंटेंस, वी शुड थिंक in our mind whether we are speaking it is good or bad or it is hurting somebody or not. So बोलने से पहले हमेशा हमें सोचना चाहिए कि वह बात कितनी सही है और कितनी अच्छी है और कितनी औपचारिक है या कैसी है. तो जैसे बोला भी जाता है ना, बोली एक अमोल है जो कोई बोले जानी, ये तराजू तोल के तब मुख बाहर आनी. तो बिल्कुल यही है थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक. नेक्स्ट इज लुक बिफोर यू लीप. लुक बिफोर यू लीप. सेम, वी शुड ऑलवेज अवॉइड हैस्टी एक्ट विदाउट थिंकिंग ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. दैट मीन्स हमें कोई भी कदम उठाने से पहले हमेशा सोचना चाहिए कि जो भी हम सोच रहे हैं, जो भी हम एक्शन कर रहे हैं, जो भी कदम उठा रहे हैं वो कितना सही है. So look before you leap means we should always avoid hasty act without thinking of the consequences. So it happens, generally it happens when we get angry. Okay, so for that I have also told you that if you are angry, count 10. If you are very angry, count 100. Right? Next is a thing of beauty is joy forever. A thing of beauty is joy forever. What is the meaning of this? The pleasure that a beautiful object, person or scene gives will remain forever. So that is beautiful. So we should always try to be beautiful with our soul, right? So the pleasure that a beautiful object, person or scene gives will remain forever. Because see, first time anybody will see you, he will see only your outer beauty, right? Your outer appearance. But if you will good in emotions, in good in habits, in supporting nature, good in nature, so everybody just remember you as a good human being. So always be beautiful by your soul. So a thing of beauty is a joy forever. And the last one for today is the fault is in ourselves, not in our stars. So this is the most beautiful proverb for today. The fault is in ourselves, not in our stars. That means we should never blame our stars for our failures. It is only lack of ability and hard work, and sometimes misuse of opportunity and laziness. So these are the causes of our failure. So we should never just blame our stars for our faults. So the fault is in ourselves, not in our stars. So I hope you will agree with me and you will just be practical. You will make it principle of your life that if you will hard work, it always pays you. Hard work always pays. And the best thing, if we hard work, so we feel content. So we are content that we have done our best. So give your best and leave the rest. Okay, so good luck for your exams, and please use these proverbs in your writing, in your sentence making, and in your day-to-day life. And see, follow these in your day-to-day life so that your life will become beautiful. So learn good English, write good English, read good English, and be happy. Stay safe and have a very good day. See you next class.